Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this abstract painting, and you can DIY, that is do it yourself, and it is very easy to make. So what I did is I took some old poster which was on a canvas, and then I used some cement and I just coated a layer of cement over the board. And I also I spread it all over, and I just used my fingers to just make it a little stony texture. I dried it for a few minutes, not much. It got dried fast. Now here's some black paint. You can't see it's black. So I'll just make the base with black color, and I'm going to paint it all over the board. So it's gonna be black. You can use any other color of your preference, whatever background you want. Now I'm using some Fevicryl acrylic colors of different shades, and I'm going to pour them one by one over the board. Here comes orange, red, now I'll take some yellow, blue. Now I'll just use the brush to spread the color, just to make the base, a basic layer for the texture. I'm going to use a brush right now. This is how it's gonna look, the basic background. Then I'm going to take some orange, some white, and then some pink. You can use as much colors you want to in whatever shape you want to. Then I'm going to use a hair dryer to spread the color in a very symmetric way, in whatever way I want them to spread, so they will just mix up very evenly and nicely. You can see it spreads so well. And this is how it looks. It's almost ready. We just one more step behind. Now if you want, you can leave it as it is, but I just gave it a borderline, which is very interesting though. So this is almost done. I'll be just giving it a border line so that it is like it will get a good finishing. So I'm using here aluminium paint, but I'll not be using the paint. I'm just using the powder of the silver powder it contains. So it will give it a silverish touch, and it settles down very well over the stony appearance it has, the texture. You can see how beautiful the silver color goes with the black background. And here it is, ready. And honestly guys, this took me like not more than half an hour to make this painting. I hope you all like it, so please like and subscribe the channel. I'll be coming up with more videos. Thank you all for watching.